That's right, thanks to some awesome viewers of this channel who I'll let remain anonymous because this is a leaked document, I got my hands on the 28-page brochure of the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite credit card coming out sometime very soon. And we're gonna go through it all together. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers and to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten. So that super top tier of premium travel credit cards with $300, $400, $500, $600, $700 annual fees is starting to heat up again, and Bank of America, with this heavy packet right here, is introducing their first ever card with a $550 annual fee. But the big question will be, will it deliver on that marketing message of giving you that luxury travel lifestyle? It will also compete well with the Capital One Venture X, Chase Sapphire Reserve, and other top tier luxury cards. We're going to find out the answer right now by going through this PDF together. Of course, Credit Shifu already did his review of this PDF as well. So if you haven't watched it on his channel yet and want to see his reaction, go watch that video after this one as well. Perhaps you've already seen it. But anyway, I also wanted to do my own reaction video because whenever a new card's about to come out, and by the way, today's what? The 27th of November as I record this. This was supposed to be out like 5 days ago per the rumors. So it is available only through certain secret links or perhaps on the relationship side if you know a banker or a Merrill advisor or something like that. And I like to do all this simply because I think it'll be a lot of fun to react to a card before it's actually launched. All right, let's take the plunge into the world of the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Credit Card. So this is kind of like the picture cover page of the unlimited points earning and flexible rewards. So basically how to earn and redeem your rewards here. So let's see where it begins. We'll start on the left-hand side with the gray section right here where my mouse is. Earn unlimited 2 points for every dollar spent on travel and dining. And then unlimited 1.5 points per dollar on all other purchases. So basically it's a 2/1.5 reward structure. Then we see right here, use your points as you please. They do not expire and there's no limit to the number of points you can earn. Plus, and here's the real kicker for all this, if you're enrolled in Bank of America Preferred Rewards, which is their additional rewards program, independent of credit cards by the way, at the Platinum Honors, Diamond, or Diamond Honors tier, you then receive a 75% bonus on every purchase. That means you could earn 3.5 points per $1 spent on travel and dining, or 2.62 points per dollar on everything else. So on its own here, the card itself, really uncompelling. It's not that great of a card for rewards at all, but if you layer it with your preferred rewards bonus, then it becomes much more lucrative. And I'd say that the gold tier and the platinum tier of course, it makes the card better, but not that great. You really gotta be Platinum Honors or above. Now, moving over to the right-hand side of the screen, how you redeem your points, you can choose between travel, cash rewards, so cash back, a statement credit, distinctive experiences, or gift cards. And those are kind of standard redemption options that most credit card issuers give you. And then down below is some interesting stuff here, especially this first one here with travel. You'll also get a 20% savings on airfare paid with points through the Bank of America Travel Center or the concierge. You can also book hotels with points. So that, I think, has some great value here. So basically what you want to do with this card is earn a lot of points very quickly because you can get 20% off whenever you book your flights with your points. It would be nice if there was some additional savings like 5 or 10% off cash bookings, which is basically you're spending money to then charge to the card and earn points. But because the discount's only on actual award redemptions using points, you've got to have a lot of points a lot of the time to really use that feature. Therefore, it's clear that Bank of America really wants you to be in the Preferred Rewards program because that's how you accelerate your point earnings. On to the next page here, and also next section apparently, valuable air travel credits and savings. So now we're going to look at some of the exclusive hotel upgrades, amenities, and more. So basically the perks and benefits of the card. So interestingly, they have not mentioned the annual fee yet. By the way, the annual fee will be $550 for this card. So it's very much a premium upscale luxury card here. So keep that in mind as we go on. $550 is the cost to have the card every year. And now we're going to get into the ways to really recoup some of that that cost. So that begins with a $300 annual travel incidental credit issued as statement credit. So as you purchase things like lounge fees, seat upgrades, baggage fees, in-flight services, basically anything except the cost of your air ticket, then you'll be able to charge those to your card and have them reimbursed up to $300 per year. Then we've got a $100 or up to $100 in statement credits for global entry or TSA pre-check. So either of those programs, whichever one you want to enroll in, charge the application fee to your card, and that will be reimbursed as a statement credit. Okay, on to the next here. Now we've got a 20% savings on airfare when you pay with points, as we discussed earlier. So maybe there's some more details about that. Save 20% on domestic or international airfare for any class when you pay with points through the Bank of America Travel Center or with your full service concierge. Then we've got a partnership on the right-hand side to fly privately with NetJets. So first up, you'll get access to a 12.5-hour introductory card, because normally when you fly private using NetJets, it requires a minimum of 25 hours for commitment of flying time. So this allows you to get in with an even lower requirement, basically cutting that in half. And adding to that is a bonus flight hour. So you also receive 1 additional hour, I guess, of flying time with the purchase of a 25-hour NetJets card. So I guess if you're gonna pay for 25 hours, you get 26 hours of flying time, valued at approximately $8,000 to $22,000 based on the cabin class that you choose. So basically, if 25 hours is the minimum, you can get in at half that 12.5-hour card, which is, I guess, not available to the public normally if you wanted to buy that. So you can pay less, have a smaller commitment if you wanted to try out NetJets for less cost. But in order to get your free hour, you've got to commit to 25 hours. So it wouldn't work on your 12.5-hour benefit. Now, that's kind of weird. They don't really work that well together, so whatever. Let's move on beyond that. Upgraded cabin class, receive 1 complimentary round-trip upgrade to the next cabin class every year with the purchase of a 50-hour NetJets share or NetJets lease. So now here you can get yourself your upgrade, but only if you go to a 50-hour commitment, it seems. So again, these 3 benefits of flying private really are not layerable or stackable, if you will, because they require different levels of commitment. And then fourth up, we've got NetJets flight time. So points accrued. I know I'm assuming your Bank of America points that you earn on your credit card is my best guess in terms of what that means. Those points accrued can be redeemed in 1-hour increments with a 2-hour minimum. So 1 hour minimum for current NetJets owners for flights on available aircraft. Terms and conditions do apply. So all this does seem a little bit disjointed to me with those 4 benefits of flying private, but nonetheless, there they are. Anyway, then there at the bottom we have airport VIP lounge access through Priority Pass Select. It doesn't say much about this. You can enjoy free unlimited access. Don't know about the guesting privileges just yet, but it does seem like you can use it as many times as you want per year. Now on to hotel benefits. So it's a Visa Infinite credit card, which gives you access to the Visa Infinite Luxury Hotel Collection that gives you access to perks like VIP status, complimentary breakfast every single day of your trip, an upgrade when available, usually a special amenity when you check in, could be a spa credit, something like that, early check-in, late check-out, etc. Then as an extension to that, there's also some benefits with Relais and Chateau hotels. There's about 500 of those worldwide. So again, free breakfast, etc. Some additional nice perks with the hotels in that portfolio. Now we've got some rental car elite status as well. So there's complimentary Avis President's Club membership to give you up to 30% off of your base rates. There's Hertz Gold Plus rewards, which provides access to special savings, faster service, extra hours on returns, etc. We also have Emerald Club Executive Level membership for 25% savings, plus some other benefits as well. And then save up to 30% with a guaranteed minimum discount of 10% on Silver Car by Audi. Okay, now we've got some sort of cruise benefits. Sail away with your cards cruise program. Enjoy the world's finest luxury ships, expert knowledge of destinations, unique added value amenities, and it doesn't tell you much about that at all. Learn more by calling your concierge. Vacation packages as well. Really doesn't tell you what the actual benefits are. Again, to learn more, call the concierge. So perhaps access maybe some discounts with vacation packages and cruise lines. Then we move on to the deluxe travel benefits and coverages. Ooh boy. Let's see here. No foreign transaction fees, trip cancellation and trip interruption insurance, baggage delay insurance, emergency evacuation and repatriation of remains coverage, travel and emergency assistance coverages, roadside dispatch, auto rental collision damage waiver. That should be, I would imagine, primary rental coverage. It doesn't say that it's primary here, but my guess is that it is because this is a Visa Infinite card. Travel accident insurance, trip delay insurance beginning at 6 hours, lost luggage reimbursement. So some good coverages here. And now we get to talk about the touches of luxury for everyday life. Let's see what this is all about. A lifestyle credit. Receive up to $150 in statement credits for lifestyle conveniences. So what that means is get up to $150 in statement credits annually to make your everyday life a little easier. Cover food delivery, your favorite streaming service, fitness subscriptions, or rideshare services. And as we've alluded to earlier, the full service concierge to book dinner reservations, event tickets, probably scheduled travels, help you with itinerary suggestions, etc. Okay, now the Visa Infinite side of the equation adds some more benefits here with food and wine. So you'll receive special access and savings at more than 50 select Sonoma County wineries. Then below that, you'll get access to unique experiences, including assistance getting into hospitality and VIP areas at major tournaments, races, concerts, as well as tickets to sold out events. And then a golf benefit by Troon. So you get special offers and elevated status when you sign up for Troon Rewards, blah, blah, blah. Okay, access to over 20 private courses around the country for only $99 per round. Now we can learn how to confidently use your card with premium security and protection benefits. So we've got $0 liability guarantee, contactless card, early fraud warning, Visa chip technology, personal identity theft. Basically, on this goes with all the stuff that most normal credit cards should have. What does stand out here is the bottom half though. There is return protection, which is great, extended warranty protection, purchase security. So those three, again, pause this if you want to read the fine print details, but those are definitely some nice value add there. And then I missed the one over here in the bottom left in the gray. You'll also get ID Navigator powered by Norton LifeLock for identity protection, identity theft, avoidance, stuff like that. Okay, so now let me react to this card overall with the main buckets that we went over. First, starting with the rewards. Over here on the screen, I'm gonna actually go to bankofamerica.com, if I can spell that right, there we go, and go to credit cards, then down to travel and airlines rewards cards. I want to point this out. Bank of America Premium Rewards card. This one's been out for a number of years now. But here's my biggest dissatisfaction with the new Premium Rewards Elite card from a rewards perspective. This Premium Rewards card, if we scroll down to the rewards structure, and I'll zoom in here, earn unlimited 2 points for every $1 spent on travel and dining, sound familiar, and 1.5 points per dollar on every $1, basically on everything else. Again, sounds familiar. So the reward structure from this new $550 card is the same as a $95 fee card. There's no difference at all. And frankly, that's super lame. If you look at the premium cards issued by other banks, for example, the US Bank Altitude Reserve versus the Altitude Go or Connect, or the Sapphire Reserve versus the Sapphire Preferred, so on and so forth, back when it was available, City Prestige, City Premier, all the top tier cards have a different reward structure than the mid-tier cards or the entry-level no-fee cards. So not only do super premium cards give you better perks, benefits, and access to different things, but they also give you elevated rewards to earn faster or in different categories of some sort. But Bank of America basically just did copy, paste, we're done. And the rumored welcome bonus for the new Elite card is currently the existing bonus on the premium card of 50,000 points. So if you're gonna get the same bonus, and if you're going to get the same reward structure, and have to basically pay a higher annual fee up front to get access to benefits that you just have to earn credits on anyway to really recoup your value, it's kind of like you're working harder to get the same value, where if you just went with a premium rewards card with a $95 fee, you wouldn't have to worry about any of that stuff. And I will also add that either of these cards are really geared for people who already have the preferred rewards program or plan to get into it. Because without that status layer built in, these two cards, when you're earning double points or 1.5 points, that's not compelling in today's world at all. There are plenty of other cards with $0 annual fees that earn double, triple, 4, 5 points per dollar even on some cards. Again, with no annual fee and no credits or benefits that you have to worry about managing all the time. So anyway, that's my first impression or take on this card. I'm not that impressed right now. I'm sure there'll be plenty of people, perhaps on the mayoral or investment side, that may get the card because their bankers or their financial planners recommend it and sell them on the card product. But in general, for most people who want the elevated luxury touches on their travel experiences, it doesn't seem like this card will really make much of a difference to you. So when the true public launch of the card happens, I'll already be waiting for a refresh. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also check out the links down below in the description area to view some great credit card offers and to get some additional cash back when you shop online through Rakuten. And now that you have endured roughly 28 pages of a PDF brochure with me, I'd love to know your thoughts about this card. Do you like any part of it that perhaps I missed or overlooked? Because right now I'm not really seeing the value. Please help me open my eyes in the comments down below. Or if you also don't like it, I'd love to know your thoughts about why you don't like it. Also comment down below. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.